to my channel. Today we're going to be reviewing the KKW Beauty Creme Lipsticks. If you do want to see a review and swatches, please keep watching. I ordered these online at kkwbeauty.com for $144 plus $8.95 for shipping. I know Kylie has free shipping on her website like the majority of the time. I got my box. It was shipped like this in this box, and then you had the lipsticks inside, and it did come with my invoice as well. I do love here on the box it does say KKW Beauty. Can you guys see that? And then here we have the cream lipsticks. Her cream lipsticks come in 8 shades and they each retail for $18 each, or you can buy the bundle for $144. I love this little beige simplistic packaging. And then on the back you have some of the ingredients. When you open up the box, this is what the cream lipsticks do look like. This is super cute. I love this acrylic. It does hold all 8 lipsticks. So I just removed it and they just pop out like so. First time ordering from KKW Beauty, and first experience is I did not want to pay for shipping. So if you guys live abroad, like I know in the UK they have to pay for duties and customs, it's just a mess. So we're just gonna start off with the first shade. So this is shade number 1. I love this plastic packaging. This is the first shade in nude 1. That swatched very creamy. I don't like this shade, but I do love the formula. I feel like I spend most of my money on packaging and not the lipstick itself, because I don't feel like I got a lot of product. You get 0.14 ounces or 4 grams of product, which doesn't look like a lot of product to me. Let's move on to the next shade. The next shade is called Nude 2, and I do like this shade a little bit better than the lighter shade. This shade is a little bit too light for me. I love the creamy formula and I do like the pigmentation on these lipsticks. Here we have shade number 3. Nude number 3 looks a little bit better than the second and first one. Nude number 3 does complement my skin complexion a little bit better than the first and second shades. Here we have nude number 4. I definitely feel like I'm gonna love nude number 4. I actually love nude number 4. Nude number 4 complements my skin complexion. It's an actual nude shade that I really do love. I love this shade. Nude number 4 can definitely be my everyday wear shade. I really hope that the formula lasts a long time. I'm pretty sure it doesn't because it's a lipstick, but I really do love this shade. Here we have the shade number 5. The shade in nude 5 looks really pretty as well. In all honesty, I was not expecting to like these cream lipsticks. Here we have the shade nude number 6. I feel like I'm starting to like these lipsticks a little bit more because the shades look a little bit more appealing. I love this shade as well, you guys. I'm just noticing something, you guys. The shades number 6 and 7, they look identical to each other when you first look at them. Because I just finished swatching the shade number 6, which is this shade right here, and then here's shade 7, which I have not touched, but it looks like they do have a different undertone to it. But look how similar they look. I wouldn't even be able to tell like if it's 6 or 7 if it's just lying on my vanity. So here's the shade number 7, which I said that was similar to shade number 6. So here we have shade number 7 and 6 at the top. Don't they even like swatch a little bit similar as well? You can just see the different undertone that it does have. I basically feel like I got the same lipstick twice, but that's okay. Let's see what it looks like on the lips. I love shade number 7. This is giving me fall vibes. This is the last shade in number 8. I love this lipstick shade. This looks gorgeous on my lips. I love this. I feel like I can wear this shade year round. My final thoughts on the KKW Creme Lipsticks is that I do love the formula on the lipsticks. I love how creamy it is. I love how pigmented the formula is. Surprisingly, with Kylie's lipstick, you get less product. 0.12 ounces or 3.5 grams. In KKW Beauty, 0.14 ounces or 4 grams. So you get a little bit more product in KKW Beauty versus Kylie's. I only like the shades 4 through 8. 1 and 2 were a little bit too light on me, which were these two shades here. And you have the shades 6 and 7, which do look very similar, but they do have a different undertone. But other than that, I really do love this collection. I also like is that you do get this clear acrylic storage where you can store all 8 of your lipsticks, but I really wanted to see what the packaging did look like. I will be wearing this shade in number 8 all throughout the day. I will leave you guys an update down below in the description box if you are interested on the longevity of this lipstick. If you guys did enjoy this video, please go ahead and give it a thumbs up, and if you haven't already, please do subscribe. I will see you guys in my next video.